right now in Blue Waters. This is one of our properties we just shot. I was here with Salvador and we just shot another property tour for one of our YouTube channels. So I'm building another YouTube channel for me, for ourselves, one of my businesses in the property space in Dubai. So yeah, I'm not only building YouTube channels for clients, but also for myself, where I see potential in. Currently, I'm busy with a lot of clients' work, with YouTube channels of clients and projects such these, and I'm just working day till night, weekends shooting, weekdays shooting, and yeah, the whole days in meetings in the office, either in the office editing or managing or in calls and so on. And yeah, today's Sunday, we just shot this property, and in a couple weeks I'm going to be flying also out to Germany again, because we have some shoots in Europe. Yeah, so the last time I shot, I was in the property. I'm back in the office like always, and just wanted to give you an update of the situation. We have been growing this YouTube channel right now for the real estate space in Dubai. We put it out 4 videos. We crossed 10,000 views in total. So per video, after some weeks, like in total 10,000, between 1 and 3,000 per video. And we got already proper leads. And right now we are just shooting scouting some more properties right now on the Palm, where we have actually some possibilities to shoot villas, and yeah, growing this channel. Happy to do so, and I'm quite confident that this one will pop and we will make this running and get our returns back based on money, based on time we put it in. And if you want to grow your YouTube channel and you want to generate leads over the YouTube channel, hit me up. There's a form under this video in the description field, and you can get in touch with me. Salvador, what we have just done?
We have just done the next viral real estate property advice video, and it's a wrap.
So we just we are on my terrace here, and we just finished one video for our real estate channel.
And tomorrow we do the next one, and then the next one,
and the next one. So yeah, looks like that, and the scenery is like this. So you have the full skyline view. Yeah.
Andrew Tate over there.
Oh, it's too much light. And it's pretty hot right now.
Should we go inside, get some AC?
Yeah.
Let's do that.
So we have winter time right now in Dubai, and I'm going to travel to Poland, which is, first I fly from Dubai, I fly to Warsaw. I will spend some time there. Then I will fly to Gdańsk, which is on the northern part of Poland, and then I fly to Krakow, and then I come back to Dubai. I'm still at home. I still have some work here. I might go to the office, but I don't think so. And tonight or tomorrow morning my flight is going to be, but I need to leave from my place at around 11:45, 12-ish. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm happy to travel again. So let's go. So I've just landed in Gdańsk. So I was flying from Warsaw, I was flying to Gdańsk right now, and I'm just at the airport because I have a meeting here, and after the meeting we're going to my family's place and just spending time with the family and enjoying the time of life. Yeah, this is literally what we're doing. So this is like the basic program, what we will build for sure, but we want to give as much as value as possible. Like we literally, because when we get started with this program, we literally want to give as much as value as possible, that literally when the people are getting into this environment, that they literally get everything, whatever we know. So, I'm currently at the Krakow airport and I'm flying back to Dubai. It's crazy foggy outside. Let's see if we are going to start, but I think so. So, going back to Dubai, then a very good friend of mine from my childhood from Germany is going to Dubai. A few days after I'm back, and then we spent an amazing time. Noel was coming. We will spend an amazing time and working a lot and just talking about old.
Proszę o uwagę. Pasażerów z przekierowanego rejsu FZ178
Yeah, that's my flight.
do Dubaju informujemy, że zostanie zorganizowany dla Państwa transport naziemny do Katowic. Prosimy o oczekiwanie w terminalu na dalsze informacje.
Okay, I am not flying.
Your attention, please. Passengers from diverse.
Okay, so based on the weather conditions, I'm going to fly from Katowice towards Dubai. Yeah, so let's see what's the situation right now here, how I come back home, and yeah, flying home. So I'm just back in Dubai, in my apartment, in my home, in my office. And we had like 3 hours approximately delay based on these weather conditions. But that's fine. So I'm back home. I'm happy to work from here. And I'm happy to go to the sauna later on. And then my friend is coming over in 8 days. Noel, I told you guys about it. And we will spend an amazing time here in Dubai. And then I'm flying to Berlin. I just had a call with the founder where we filming a spot for the TV for Sport 1, Sport 1 in German. We're going to film the ad for the TV in Berlin. So yeah, I'm excited to do this for my clients. And then I will spend some more time in Germany and coming back to Dubai for New Year's and Christmas. So I'm pretty excited for the next weeks because, first of all, nice work. We make an ad campaign for the TV and yeah, looking forward.
Für 600.000 Euro zu kaufen, dann würde der Deal folgendermaßen aussehen.
So, I'm back out of the office. I'm going home now. And then I'm going to sleep and wake up tomorrow again. It was a lovely day, the first day after traveling. I've done a lot. I'm preparing right now the TV campaign which we're going to film in Germany and Berlin. It's a lot of work right now with other projects. So yeah, what contains my work at the moment, it's mainly scaling YouTube campaigns, YouTube channels, ad campaigns, and the TV spot which we're going to film soon. So it's a lot of work, a lot of projects, a lot of focus, but everything to make the work for the clients great. So, I'm in another property. So we just filmed another property here in JBR. This building is La Vie. This is for one of our channels, one of my channels, which I scaled in, I think, 30 days. We got like over 30,000 views. And we got some buyers for the Dubai real estate market. So when I talk about Dubai real estate market, we film penthouses like these, we put it on our channel, and then we get buyers which inquire for these properties. So yeah, and when you want to scale your YouTube channel, you'll find more information in the description below. But yeah, look at these views. This is crazy. This is like the first raw straight at the beach. I love it. Amazing views.
Yeah, danke.
Paul, where are you? What are you doing?
No, we're not doing videos on this.
We're doing videos on this.
We're on our way to view a potential development on the Palm, previously owned by.
Demain, je suis vraiment à la bourre.
2 months for exactly. Very strong team, very strong coach.
Remember the property I just showed you on the balcony with the JBR view? We just put it online and just see how crazy it gets. Boom. 200 views. And just skyrocketing up, and this is our old video. So with this video we got like 26,000 views with one YouTube video in the Dubai property space. Let's go! You can barely see me. We are in One Zabil. You have the whole downtown Burj Khalifa view.
C'est un parking. Mais non, c'est vache ça. C'est une ferme. Donc tu veux me dire qu'il y a un mec qui a une ferme ici.
So today we have been in the One Zabil, in the one and only part, and it was also crazy for me. It was the first time eating eating lunch in the middle of the building in the bridge. So we have been there. We shot one property, but we took a look at total in on 4 properties, because 4 of them we have for sale. One we put on my channel, on our channel, which is my brand, The Real Deal Dubai, where we showcasing luxury properties here in Dubai. Yeah, and that's it.